Alright, so this could be a good one. I'm going to show you probably the dirtiest interior I've ever seen. Not good. So I found 2 seatbelts. I didn't even know they had seatbelts, so I found those so far. But we got our work cut out. We're gonna do shampoos, everything that we can do to get in here. Real quick, let's get to our intro and I'll come back. Alright, let me continue showing you guys the interior. Got a lot of debris. So this will be fun. I'm gonna have to look up. I want to see if I can get under this seat, so that way I can clean some more. Already found 2 seatbelt buckles. It smells like smoke in here, but I'm not worried about that right now. Just want to get it all cleaned up, dusted. Yeah. In my 7 years of detailing, this is probably the dirtiest one I've had so far. I'm excited though, because I got my equipment ready to go. So, we got all the bad boys ready. Everyone's warming up. Gonna hit it with the air, and then we're ready to get started. So I'll catch you guys in a few.